Good morning, dear students. I am going to teach English language for standard 2 students. Lesson number 3, one and more than one. Let's start. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called singular noun. Now, a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy means one boy. A cat, one cat. A house, one house. A flower means one flower. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. For example, boys means more than one boy. Cats, more than one cat. Same way, houses, flowers, these all are plural forms. Students, sometimes we add s, es, ies, ves to get the plural forms. Naming words can talk about one person or thing. Girl, hand, cat, box. Naming words can also talk about more than one person or thing for the same kind, like girls, hands, cats, boxes. When we want to talk about more than one of something, right? More than one of something, we add s or es to the naming word. For example, one book. Here, how many books? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we will say? 4 book or 4 books? We will say 4 books by adding s here. Same way, 1 watch, 2 watches. Now, exercise A. Add s to these words. Brother. After adding s, brothers. Duck, ducks. Tree, trees. Bat, bats. Coat, coats. Pocket, pockets. Bun, buns. Skirt, skirts. Now, we add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x and z to get their plural. For example, bus ends with s, right? So by adding es, the plural form is buses. Boxes, plural form boxes. Same way, you see exercise B. Add es to these words. Bus, by adding es, buses. Box, boxes. Fox, foxes. Kiss, kisses. Match, matches. Glass, glasses. Witch, witches. Wish, wishes. Exercise C. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Add s or es wherever required. Now, GT is going on a picnic. She packs a lot of food in a basket. Dash. Now, How many basket is there? Only one basket. So we will simply write basket. Basket. Then she keeps 4 apples. How many apples? 4 apples. So we will write APPLES, apples, right? And 2 pears. How many pears? 2. She also keeps 1 dash bag of chips. Now how many bag? 1 bag. 1 bag. So we will simply write here bag of chips and 2 dash what? Bottles. How many bottles? 2 bottles. So we'll add here S of organic juice. The noun that ends in a consonant followed by Y change into plural form by changing the Y to IES. For example, story. Okay. Now R is a consonant followed by Y. So now we will change Y to IES. Same way, fly. L is a consonant followed by Y. So we will change Y to IES, that is flies. Same way here. We can also talk about many by changing Y to IES to the end of a naming word. Now baby, B is again a consonant followed by Y. So we will change Y to IES, that is babies. Berry, berries. Same here. Story, stories. City, cities. Lily, lilies. Army, armies. Fly, flies. Fairy, fairies. Now you see here monkey. We will not add here IES in place of Y. Why? Because E is a vowel, not consonant. E is a vowel followed by Y. In this case, we will simply add S here. We will not add IES. We will simply add S. Same way you see key. Now E is again a vowel, not consonant. Vowel followed by Y. So we will not write IES. We will simply put here S. Keys. Right? Now, to form the plural of a noun that ends in F or FE, we replace the F or FE with VES. For example, calf, calves. Wife, wives. F replaced with VES. FE, VES. Same way here you see knife, knives. Loaf, loaves. Use the rule above and add VES to these naming words. Calves, calves. Shelf, shelves. Hoof, hoofs. Leaf, leaves. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolves. A few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels, like goose change to geese, double O change to double E, man, men, child, children. Same way here, goose, geese, man, men, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet. So students, all these you have to write in your English language book. Thank you.